To make this spaghetti strap dress, I'm going to be folding my fabric, but for easy visibility, I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how to fold on a paper, then we'll do the folding on the fabric later on. So this is how you're going to fold your fabric. Give it a first fold like I have done, then give it a second fold like I am doing in a bias way. So let's fold on our fabric the same way we did on our piece of paper. Make a first fold and a second bias like I have done. The next, I'm going to mark my bust circumference divided by 4 plus seam allowance. So mark your bust circumference divided by 4 plus 1 inch seam allowance, or whatever seam allowance you're comfortable to work with. So I'm just going to place it over here, then I'm going to draw a horizontal straight line. The next, you're going to mark your shoulder measurements divided by 2. From these folded sides, you're going to be marking. So my shoulder measurement divided by 2 is 8 inches. I'm going to mark over here. Then from 8 inches, I'll go inwards by 2 inches. So I'm just going to get my measuring tape and go inwards by 2 inches. Then on the 2 inches, I'm going to go up by 4 inches. I'm going to go up by 4 inches. Then I'm going to shape my neckline and my armhole. So I'm going to get my French curve ruler and connect this 4 inches up down here and shape my armhole. So this is my armhole that I've shaped. The next, I'm going to shape my neckline. But before I shape my neckline, I'm going to go upwards by 2 inches on this side. Go up by 2 inches. Then I'm going to connect and shape my neckline very easily. So now that we have our armhole shaped and the neckline shaped, I'm going to determine the full length of the dress. So if you want it short, you measure a short one. If you want it long, it all depends with your preference. So right here from the shoulder, I'm going to measure, and then I'm going to start rotating my measuring tape to form some flare at the bottom. So I'll just keep rotating my measuring tape, as you can see, and marking. Then I'll connect the dotted points and connect the other side. And I'm going to cut this out. So guys, remember this is a spaghetti dress. So I'm also going to show you guys how to make the spaghetti straps. So let's make the spaghetti straps. To make the spaghetti straps, I'm just going to draw, fold my fabric into 2 and measure 11 to 12 inches. So I'm going to use 12 inches for my straps together with the seam allowance. Then I'll mark 1 inch. So depending on how wide you want your straps to be, you can mark 2 inches, but I just want to mark 1 inch. So this fabric is on fold, and I'm going to be cutting out 2 straps. So I'm just going to cut this out and show you my 2 straps. So these are the 2 straps, and you're going to be folding them like so. Fold on one side and on the other side, then fold at the center, then stitch to make the spaghetti straps. Then this is what we have after everything is done. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more.